The other day when we rendezvous, I forget to make mention of that another request I want to get done. There's a thumb drive where your husband have. We need it. It have a whole heap of access codes and files on it. Before any action is taken out, I need that thumb drive.
Tony, my husband is a very secretive man, and a thumb drive. Listen, you already asked me to do something, and I agreed I would do it and get it done. And now you're asking about a thumb drive?
Audrey, a man's weakness is a woman. You are very cunning. Get that old bastard in bed if you have to. I want it thumb drive.
Tony, I don't know. I don't think I can do it. I don't think I can do it.
You know, don't forget to tell you. Your son was riding along the alley the other day and he fell and broke his heart. Oh, he take your right still.
Wait, so is he okay? What? God. Listen, unless you're here for business, I don't have time for you today. Alright?
Okay, let's get straight to it then. Do you have any idea where Mr. Mullings is?
Oh, I'm sorry, hold on. He's not in there. David? Oh, he's not there either. David?
Hey. Everything seems to be a joke for you, Audrey.
No, this time I'm dead serious. I'm married, but we're both married, but we're not living together. I didn't make him breakfast this morning, put his clothes out or anything. I don't know where the hell David is.
You know, everything was okay with Mr. Mullings, with him doing his duties and running the agency perfectly well. Until you came back. Now he's MIA. And for some reason, I cannot help to think that you're a part of that.
Like what? You think I moved a man? You think I'm into human trafficking? I'd move a man who is about 6'2", just move him just like that? Tell me. What exactly are you doing here? Are you trying to investigate me?
No, you're not under investigation yet. I just want you to know that this is serious. And if anything happens to that man, you will have some serious questions to answer.
Well, if I'm not under invesigation, I'm kindly asking you to leave my establishment. Or, I don't know if you're here to do business, you can have a seat and I can assist.
Audrey, level with me. Let's have a woman-to-woman conversation. What you want from Mr. Mullings? Look at the age difference. You're married to him, you have a youth for him, but you take him youth and you run off with him best friend.
Stop! Just stop. Why all of a sudden everybody have a problem with me and what I've done in my past, and have a problem with my relationship, and have a problem with everything that I've done? Like everybody's so perfect. Like I'm the first or I'm the last to ever talk to somebody else's friend. What is it with y'all? What are you? Miss Goody Two Shoe? Oh, you're Miss Perfect? What skeletons do you have in your closet?